Yeah. Hey. Okay. Okay.
Do not leave it for
I do not miss. Started from Cali and now I got bitches in Europe. They singing my shit.
Shout out DJ
Remember,
Tone.
it's never the
DIY,
critical
do it
count.
yourself.
That's just the way that it is. Tell me, why would I listen to you on this shit when
stick?
you never could do what I did?
and an old t-shirt. This is the old t-shirt we're gonna tear up today. Hey Tone, I hope you're making some gas money now, kid. Make sure y'all go support. Shout out DJ Tone. This is the best toy that you can possibly have for your dog. Completely DIY, do it yourself. The best toy you can make for your dog right here. Watch this. It could be a towel, it could be a rag, it could be an old t-shirt, anything that you don't really care about.
You ready, mammies? You ready?
This thing has saved me so much headache. In all reality, it does take a little sacrifice. It does take a little work to go outside and play with them and keep them exercised and stuff. Most of the time, we don't want to do it. How can we make it the most convenient? How can we make it the most fun? This is it right here, just the stick and a t-shirt.
Oh, she got it. Oh, she got it. Come here.
The stick keeps her off my body. You see? See, where the stick keeps her, gives her that distance. But if I was to play with it in my hand, much more of a battle, it'll be way tougher. The stick keeps off my body, boom. It's less work for me, but the amount of work for her, this is the most she'll ever run. Go get it. Good girl. Yeah. See the drive? Sit. Another thing I'm working on is her drive, her eagerness to get it, right? A lot of people don't work on the drive of their dog and then the dog lays around the house and doesn't do much. Her drive is still there. Her drive is like a puppy. She's very eager to get after it, and this helps it. Come on. It's a lot of fun for me, I'm not gonna lie. I have fun doing it, and she has fun. As opposed to the other toys, nothing but work. You gotta bend over, you gotta fight with them. It's none of that. Get a stick and a t-shirt, that's it.
You ripped up DJ Tone. Oh, man. You ripped him to pieces. You ripped him up. Come here.
She's about to take it from me.
Very important, when you're done with it, put it away. Do not leave it for them. You wanna keep that drive alive. You wanna keep them hungry. See how she always continuously wants it? It's because I put it away. She's done now.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I do not miss. Hey. Started from Cali and now I got bitches in Europe. They singing my shit. Remember, it's never the critic who counts. That's just the way that it is.